Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2024 Honda Odyssey, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. This is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and then with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Now we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure to start aligning it to this section of the headlight first. Place it on the edge, grab your tack solution and apply tack solution on the edge of the headlight. That way we can start tacking it down little by little. So place it right on the edge, hold it in position, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. Make sure to keep it aligned and tack everything down. Make sure you secure this section of the headlight first. That way we're able to secure the rest of the film on that end. One thing you can do to help the adhesive activate faster is applying a little bit of heat. That way the adhesive helps the film stay secured on this area. So apply tack solution on top and then apply heat. So just grab your tack solution, start applying tack solution to the lens. Place it down and then just tack it down slowly, little by little. Secure the top, tuck it in on the top section of the headlight, wrap around and install it on the top section here. For this part, just have the hood open just a little bit in order to seal this top edge here. Okay, and now to seal this edge that way it stays tacked down, apply heat. Use your microfiber towel to help it sit until you reach to this end. Apply heat, and then once this is done, we move on to the last step, which is post heating. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight is to post heat the entire lens. So just apply tack solution to the tint. Use your heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 Honda Odyssey. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.